Social media etiquette for business owners. 15 do's and don'ts. The continual growth of social media can make staying on top of etiquette and best practices for those platforms tough, especially if you're a casual user. Each social networking platform has its own quirks that serve as unspoken usage guidelines. You run the danger of appearing unprofessional and creating an unfavorable impression on your audience if you disobey one of those principles. It takes practice to completely comprehend how these suggestions apply to your day-to-day behavior when it comes to social media etiquette for company behavior, and what to do or not do. When it comes to business social media etiquette, here are 15 do's and don'ts. Do. Make sure your social media accounts and profiles are complete and up to date. The importance of first impressions cannot be overstated. Consider your social media profiles to be your online first impression. Partially filled social media accounts naturally appear less professional. Take a few minutes to fill up your entire profile, including your contact information, and submit a high-quality profile and cover photographs. Do. Keep your personal and business accounts separate. It's beneficial to keep your personal and professional social media profiles separate when creating a brand. Your clients will know which account to follow if you are consistent with the types of content you provide on your business page. You also don't bother friends and relatives who follow you on social media for personal updates. Do. Share in a sensible manner. What you share becomes a reflection of yourself and your company. Stay cognizant of the image you're creating as a result of the content you post while being proud of who you are and what you represent as a company. Do. Post on a regular basis. The big question is, how frequently should you interact with your online community? This will vary based on your company and industry, but at least once or twice a week is a decent rule of thumb. Outbound engine posts on behalf of clients roughly 2 to 3 times per week. This keeps new information in front of our clients' eyes while freeing up their time. Do. Make your social media networks a priority. It's tempting to test out every new social networking platform that pops up, but spreading yourself too thin might be risky. To begin, concentrate on the social media platforms where you know your clients are active. That's most likely Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, with Twitter thrown in for good measure. No matter what business you're in, providing high-quality information through various channels is worth your time and work. Do. Interact with your audience. Providing helpful content is nice, but it's not all social media has to offer. Interacting with your followers is also key. See a question or comment on Twitter that you can answer? Send the person a friendly reply. Looking for recommendations? Ask your Facebook audience. Did someone mention you, tag you, retweet you or share your post? Give them a quick like and a comment. Build connections online just like you would in person. Do not be needy. Don't hurt your Facebook friends to like your page every week, or implore your Twitter followers to please retweet. It's fine to inform your personal account followers that you have business pages and what they may expect if they follow you. However, plan beforehand. You can still complete those duties, but it's better to do so by creating useful, shareable content. Do not be a spammer. It's fine to retweet, like, comment, post, and share, but everything should be done in moderation. Nobody wants a single account to dominate their social media feeds. Do not, for example, Join 20 LinkedIn groups and publish the same self-promotional message in each one, then never communicate with the members again. Don't mass follow random Twitter individuals in the hopes of receiving a reciprocal follow. Posting promotional content in places where self-promotion is prohibited is not a good idea. You don't want to give off that kind of vibe. Do handle criticism gracefully. The worst thing you can do if you run into an issue that generates a lot of negative feedback on social media is trying to hide from it. Try not to become defensive and react as best you can. An outburst of rage in response to criticism can soon go viral, in a bad way. Work to fix the problem and inform individuals who cared about it online when it's fixed. Do not complain. Complaining about client interactions or when a business transaction doesn't go as planned should not be part of your social media strategy. Remember, you're aiming to set yourself apart from the competition. This can be a less than ideal way of standing out. Potential clients may be hesitant to conduct business with you if they see how you talk about others. Do help more than you sell. Even if you're in business to generate money, the majority of your social media posts shouldn't be about that. Remember the 80-20 rule: 80% of the information you post or share should be entertaining or educational, while just 20% of your social media communication should directly connect to the goods or services you offer. Do match your content to the platform. Each social networking platform has its own audience and purpose. It's critical to understand this and match your content and tone to the appropriate social media venue if you want to be successful. Do keep an eye on your grammar and spelling. It's not the end of the world if you make a grammar or spelling mistake once in a while, but don't make it a habit. Preparing your social media updates in a document or spreadsheet with spell check will help you prevent blunders. You might even have a coworker proofread your work before sharing it. Do be visual. Your social media engagement can be boosted using photos and videos. Did you know that tweets with photos receive 150% more retweets, 89% more likes, and 18% more clicks? Do not write in all caps. Are you angry with me? Is there something wrong with me? Stop using all caps. They are not only visually disturbing, but they also convey that you are agitated, furious, or aggressive. Use this form of writing just when a single word has to be highlighted, such as when something is very important. Always be conscious of the tone you're conveying through your words.